To get started with trading on Bybit, first create an account by providing basic information such as email address and password. Verify your account through the email sent by Bybit to ensure security and access to all features. Once your account is verified, navigate to the Bybit platform and log in. You will see various sections including the trading interface, account balance, and market data. Familiarize yourself with the platform layout to efficiently navigate between different sections. Next, fund your account by clicking on the deposit button and selecting your preferred deposit method. Bybit supports multiple cryptocurrencies, so choose the one you prefer and follow the instructions to complete the deposit. After depositing funds, navigate to the trading interface where you can choose between spot trading, futures trading, and other trading options. Select the trading pair you are interested in and choose between a limit order or market order. A limit order allows you to set a specific price for buying or selling, while a market order executes the trade at the current market price. To place an order, enter the amount you want to trade and select the leverage if you are using futures trading. Leverage allows you to trade with a larger amount than your account balance, but it also increases the risk of losses. Set a stop loss to limit potential losses and a take profit to automatically close the trade when it reaches a certain profit level. Monitor your trades and adjust your strategy as needed. Keep an eye on market trends and news that may impact the price of the assets you are trading. Bybit also provides various tools and indicators to help you make informed trading decisions. Finally, when you are ready to close a trade, navigate to the Open Positions section and click on the Close button. You can also set a close price in advance using a limit order or market order. Always prioritize risk management and never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps and practicing responsible trading, you can effectively use Bybit to trade and achieve your financial goals.